Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your code on the Free Fire game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Free Fire game on your device and then proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your homepage from which, in order to use your redeem code, you will need to visit the store. Go ahead and tap on the store option, and now from the store page you will find the redeem option. Go ahead and tap on redeem and you can browse through various items that you can redeem your code for. Just choose whichever item you want to redeem for and then you will be able to find the exchange button. Tap on exchange and this will use your tokens that you have available to redeem your selected product. And you can do this with any number of items as long as you have enough redemption points. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your points on the Free Fire game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.